We look up at the night sky and see a sea of stars, galaxies stretching across the darkness like scattered fireflies on a cosmic canvas. Telescopes reveal billions of galaxies, each filled with billions of stars, each star potentially harboring planets, and some of those planets, maybe even life. This is the visible universe, the part we can observe. But here's the unsettling truth. The visible universe is not the whole universe. It's just the part we can see, limited by the speed of light and the age of the cosmos. Beyond it, we don't know. It could be more galaxies, it could be nothing, it could be everything. What does it even mean to say beyond the universe? Is there an outside to something that includes all of space and time? The human mind struggles with this. We are creatures of borders, edges, and endings. Our lives are defined by beginnings and conclusions. But the universe, it doesn't care for such rules. It expands, not into something, but from itself. There is no outer space where the universe floats. It is space itself, stretching, growing, possibly infinitely. And yet we ask, what lies beyond the cosmic horizon? That imaginary boundary where the light hasn't had enough time to reach us. It's not that the universe ends there, it's that our ability to see does. It's like standing in the middle of a vast fog. You only see what the light allows, not because there's nothing more, but because your perception is bounded. Some theories suggest that the universe is infinite, no edge, no beyond, just an endless stretch of matter, energy, space, and time. But others say it's finite, curved like the surface of a sphere, where if you travel far enough in one direction, you end up where you started. But then again, what's outside that sphere? Is it a higher dimensional space, or is that question itself meaningless? Enter the idea of the multiverse, a concept both thrilling and terrifying. It suggests that our universe may be just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam, each bubble a universe with its own laws of physics, dimensions, and destinies. Some may collapse seconds after forming. Others may be so different from ours that matter as we know it doesn't exist. And somewhere, maybe one is almost exactly like ours, with a you who made a different choice, said a different word, became someone else. But if these other universes exist, can we ever reach them? See them? The answer for now is no. They lie beyond observational reality, beyond even theoretical grasp. They might exist forever behind a cosmic veil we cannot lift. And yet we wonder, because to be human is to question what lies just beyond the edge. The visible universe is like a message in a bottle floating in an infinite ocean. We see the message, we read its contents, we analyze the ink and paper, but we don't know how far the ocean stretches, or if it ever ends, or who else might be floating there. It humbles us, it frightens us, but it also drives us forward. The cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang, gives us a glimpse into the infant universe, but not before it. What came before time? Is before even a real concept when time itself was born in that fiery moment? Perhaps our questions break down at the limits of understanding. Perhaps the very idea of a before or outside the universe is like asking what's north of the North Pole. And yet, we build machines, launch telescopes, and write equations, all in pursuit of the unreachable. Because deep inside us, there's a need to connect the dots, to feel part of something greater. When we look at the stars, we don't just see distant suns. We see ourselves, reflected in the infinite, searching for meaning. Philosophers have long debated whether the universe exists because we perceive it, or if we perceive it because it exists. Some suggest consciousness plays a role in shaping reality, that without an observer, reality is undefined, like a story unread. Could it be that the cosmos needs us, just as we need it? That awareness and existence are entangled in ways we can't yet understand? We measure the universe in light years, but we feel it in heartbeats. The distance to the nearest galaxy, the time it takes for light to reach us, It's all numbers. And yet there's something emotional about it, a quiet terror, a silent awe. We are so small, and the universe is so vast, and yet somehow we are here, asking the biggest questions. Maybe the question isn't what's outside the universe, but why are we inside it? What kind of reality allows for consciousness, curiosity, and wonder? If the universe had no edge, does our longing for one say more about the cosmos or about ourselves? And if we never find the answer, does that make the question any less important? The universe may never give us a reply. The stars don't whisper secrets. The galaxies don't write letters. But every time we look up, we feel something. A pull, a yearning, a sense that out there in the darkness, something waits. Not an answer, perhaps, but a deeper question. So we keep looking, not because we expect to find an edge or a wall or a sign that says, here it ends, but because the search itself gives us meaning. The act of wondering is what makes us human. And in that wondering, maybe we are touching the infinite, not with our hands, but with our minds.